Welcome learners. In this tutorial, we will see that how to use Google Sheet to collect data from students. We know that sometimes we are in situation where we want our students to provide us data about some particular aspect or some particular thing. Say for example, you have shared some worksheet with the students and you want to know how many of them have faced difficulty on a particular question or a particular part of the worksheet. So in an online environment we can know about the situation of what difficulties the students are facing by using a Google Sheet. So what we can do is we can make a Google Sheet and we can share it with our students, giving a particular columns in the Google Sheet where they can type, they can express what difficulties they have faced. And in this way you can ask students several questions or several data which can help you to improve your classroom transaction. So let us see how to do it. Let us see how to create a Google Sheet and share it with your users. Sometimes it happens that during the classroom transaction we want to collect some data from our student. So for doing that we can use Google Sheets as an option. Let us find out how to do that very fast. So you have to just type in the URL. Going to the URL, you have to type sheets.google.com. It will open up the Google Sheets for you, and then just click on the blank spreadsheet. Now you want to collect data from your students about the completion of assignment. You want to know how many of your students have completed how many of assignments given to them. So assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3. So there are 3 assignments which was allotted to the students. So A, B, C, E, F, G. So these many students are there. You want them to type whether they have completed the assignment for you or not. So if they have completed the assignment, they will type completed. If not completed, they will type not completed. Now you want them to fill up this for you. So how to do that? Just go to the share. You have to name the spreadsheet before sharing it. So you have to name your Google Sheet as how to share. Name your Google Sheet. Just type the name whatever you want to give it. Say for example, assignment completion, and click on save. Now here you can see that it is being asked that to whom you want to share it with. Say for example, I want to share it with my many students, with many people at a time. So you can just choose their names one by one after another. You can choose their names. Multiple names you can just take it from wherever, to whomever you want to share this particular sheet. You can just type their mail address or just choose from the list, or you can just copy paste all the mail addresses over here. It will just make these tiles for you. And after that, please put a message over here asking them what to do in the sheet. So dear students, this sheet is shared with you so that you can put your status, your completion status as completed or not completed against each of these assignments allotted to you. So put a nice message over here so that the students could understand, or the potential users can understand what you want them to put in the Google Sheet, sorry. So let us find out how to share it. Just click on send. That's it. So in this way the whole sheet is being shared with multiple people at a time. Now what if you want this sheet to be shared publicly, so that anybody having that link of this particular sheet can share it, can edit it, can do the addition in this particular form. So to do that, just click on share and go to the section beneath this particular part, get link. Click on change to anyone with link, and you can just set it. By default it is set as viewer. You have to change it to editor. Don't forget to do that, because if you are not setting it as editor, they can view your sheet but cannot edit it. So just change it to editor and done. But before pressing this done button, you should copy the link so that you can pass it on to your students or the potential users through WhatsApp or mail or whatever means you want to share with them this link. So you have to copy this link and just click. Finally you have to click on done. So that's it. This is the way we create a Google Sheet and share it with our students, so that the students can collaborate, can feed the data which you want them to feed. Thank you very much.